Okay guys, we're back out here. Got the headers off. Got the flanges cleaned again. I'm going to pull the starter off from the other side. And yeah, we're going to wait for the dipstick tube to the end. If I pull the dipstick tube out, the converter has already drained and I'll probably have 4 or 5 quarts on the floor. So we're going to leave that to the end. I'm going to get the starter off and just start dabbling, whatever. The part should be here on Friday. So over the weekend, we'll just dive into it. So it's a shame. I did a nice job on the pan. But whatever. Okay guys, let's just keep working. Okay guys, we're doing good. Pile of parts are building up over there. We got the starter off, we got the inspection cover off, we got the torque converter bolts off, we got that throttle valve linkage off for the tranny, we got the mufflers, the headers off. I'm going to pull off the water pump pulley, okay, and the harmonic balancer, the lower crank pulley, and just some stuff off the front. Just might as well do it, I got nothing to do. Just want to show you something. If you're going to loosen this, I'm going to use a wrench as an example, even though I don't use 12 pointers if I want to make something, keep it nice. You want to break this free. Okay, if you put the wrench like this, or if you put the wrench like this, you know it's two totally different things. If I put the wrench like this, I could probably hold this pulley with my hand and break it free, because you're crossing over center and going that way, as opposed to this way, you're adding torque multiplication to it. Just watch where it spins. Now I'm just adding a bar to it. Now I change the ratio totally in my favor. So picture this as shifted into first gear, and this is the tire on the ground. And picture this putting it into 10th gear and the tire on the ground, because you crossed over the center. Okay, and if you go like this, it changes it even more, and then you're back to there again. So this is the hardest to turn the pulley, and the easiest to break the bolt free by you clamping the pulley. And then obviously as you come around, it gets harder and harder to hold the pulley until you're at full torque multiplication. So I know it's hard to explain, it's easier to show. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show, but that's the way it is. Well, you can just put an impact on it. You could either do it this way, I don't know how hard you throw it with me to hold that pulley. Or you just throw it like that. Even without you being here, you saw how much easier it was. Look at the size of the thing here. Okay, this is where I'm calling it. Maybe I'll be out here later, I'm not sure. I just remembered we gotta get a fuel pump. We ain't leaving that cheesy thing on there. How'd we do? This is what we got off. I don't have all the lights on in here. So we did good. Like I said, I'm trying to take it off without scratching it or destroying it. But if something has to be redone, we'll do it. And I'm trying to enjoy it a little bit. So, looks like the only thing that did oxidize was the fuel pump. A little bit there. And everything else is just covered with dust. And as I go along, I just wipe. Call it good. But the whole front's coming off anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is probably as far as I'm going to go until I put it on the stand. I got to find my bolts. I found my engine mounts. I didn't know where they were. I knew what a crossmember was. I didn't know what a mount was until I looked down and see them there. So I'll run those to work and clean them up and paint them satin black. Call it done. And yeah. And plus I don't want a puddle of antifreeze on the floor. When I put it up on the engine stand, I'll put a drain under it and drain the block. So it's still full of antifreeze. So with that said, guys, We also got to get the rest of the tools in here. I'm working off my tool tray out of my toolbox, and that's no way to work. So we got to convert over from a body shop back to a mechanical shop for now. So I'm gonna rebox up all the paints, get them out of here, and that'll be it. Should be good when we're done. That's all that matters.